Everyone, today we are going to solve a sum based on a odd or even function. What are the important rules to find odd or even function is it is in the form of limit minus pi to pi, and it satisfies f of minus x equal to f of x, means it is a even function. If it satisfies f of minus x equal to minus of f of x, means it is a odd function. So let we go on solve our sum. Is nothing but our question is show that x sin x equal to this one. So we take our f of x is nothing but x sin x. So we put f of x instead of minus x, means we get f minus x sin minus x. So it gives x sin x. It is a even function. It satisfies the f of minus x equal to f of x form. So it is a even function. So let we go and solve our sum. Our Fourier series formula is nothing but if it is a even function, we want to find alone a naught and a n. We don't want to find our bn because it is a even function. It goes to 0. Whatever a naught is had a general formula that 1 by pi integration of minus pi to pi x sin x. We use our Bernoulli's formula here. So x minus cos x, integration of sin x means minus cos x, minus x differentiate means it gives 1, integration of minus cos x means nothing but minus sin x. Put our limits here. So then we put minus x cos x, then minus minus plus sin x, and substitute our limit means we get our a naught as 0, a naught as 2. Next we want to find our an is nothing but we had a formula this, and we want to substitute our f of x as x sin x. Then this is x sin x is a even function. We already find out, no? So it is a even function. Cos nx is also a even function. So even into even it is a even function. So we multiplied by 2 and in limits change to 0 to pi. Then x sin x and cos nx is in the form of sin a cos b formula. So we substitute this formula here, having 2 sin a cos b equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So here question is we had only sin x and cos nx, so we don't have 2, so we substitute our 2 here. Then 2 by pi integration of 0 to pi x into, we substitute our formula, which what is that? Nothing but sin 1 plus n x plus sin 1 minus n x divided by 2. This 2 getting cancelled. Then what we want to do means here 1 plus n, here 1 minus n. So we want to change this. We don't want minus n here. For our convenient we change that. So x into sin n plus 1 x minus sin n minus 1. Here 1 minus 1 is changed as 1 minus n is changed as n minus 1. For our convenient we change this. Then what we want to do, this is in the form of integration of u dv. So this taken as u and this as v. What we do, 1 by pi into x. If we integrate these means minus cos n plus 1 x divided by n plus 1 plus here minus into minus, so minus minus plus, so plus cos n minus 1 x divided by n minus 1. Then what we want to do, minus we want to put minus, then integration of x is differentiation of x is nothing but 1, and we want to integrate this. Integration of minus cos n plus 1 is nothing but minus sin n plus 1 x divided by n plus 1 the whole square plus sin n minus 1 x divided by n minus 1 the whole square. Then we want to substitute our limits. If we substitute in sin n plus 1 pi or sin n plus 1 0 means it goes to 0 term, so we don't want to find this. We want to find alone a cos function. So what we do, instead of x we want to put our pi upper limit. So cos n plus 1 pi divided by n minus 1 plus cos n minus 1 into pi divided by n minus 1. Why we didn't put 0 lower limit? Here had a trick, because cos here having a x minus cos n plus 1 x. So we put instead of x we put 0, means 0 into cos x is nothing but minus 1. 0 into minus 1 is nothing but it is 0. So total lower limit goes to 0, so we only put our upper limits only. Then we taking our pi as common, 1 by pi into pi, pi means it getting cancelled, and we put cos n plus 1 pi. We had a formula, right? A cos n pi equal to nothing but minus 1 power n. So instead of n here having a n plus 1, so we put here having a minus, and we put minus 1 n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, and also here minus 1 into power of n minus 1 divided by n minus 1. Then what we do means we taking our n, separating our n plus 1 as n and plus 1. So what we want to do here, taking our minus into minus of n divided by, we want to take our minus 1 as common. So here having no minus 1 power n plus 1, so we taking our minus 1 as common, minus 1 as common. So taking our minus 1 means there is only minus of minus 1 power n. So here having one minus, we taking minus 1 power n, there is one minus, and one more minus 1 power 1, that only left. So minus of minus 1 power 1. Then another term we take minus 1 as common, means it gives minus 1 power minus 1 divided by n minus 1. Here minus of minus 1 power 1 divided by n plus 1. Minus 1 power 1 is nothing but minus 1, so 1 minus 1 into minus it gives plus, so 1 by n plus 1. Here minus 1 in power minus 1 is nothing but minus 1, so minus 1 divided by n minus 1. If we cross multiply these, means we get minus 1 power n into minus 2 divided by n square minus 1. So we got our an. An equal to minus 2 into minus 1 power n divided by n square minus 1. So we find our a naught also, and we find our an also. So it is in the, if we put n as bn, it goes to 0 because it is a even function. If we put n as 1, means if an equal to what we had a formula, 1 by pi integration of x sin x cos nx dx. If we put n as 1, means what we have, 1 by pi x sin x cos x dx. So this is in the form of even function, I already told. So we into by 2 and changing our limits. Then what we do means we had a formula, right? Sin 2 sin a cos b equal to sin 2a. So we here only having a sin x and cos x, there is no 2, so divided by 2 only here. So this 2 getting cancelled, and this is in the form of Bernoulli. So if we integrate in Bernoulli's form, means we get x minus cos 2x divided by 2 minus 1 into minus of sin 2x divided by 4, and we substitute our limits. What we get means 1 by pi minus x cos 2x divided by 2, and here then we want to substitute our limits. Limit substitute means a sign goes to 0 if we substitute pi under 0 also. So we take only cos function. So 1 by pi into minus pi cos 2 pi divided by 2. So thus pi and pi getting cancelled, and cos 2 pi is nothing but 1, so minus into 1 nothing but 1, minus 1, so minus 1 by 2. So we find our a1 as minus 1 by 2. We want to substitute in our Fourier series, nothing but a0 by 2 a1 cos nx plus summation of n equal to 2 to infinity an cos nx. This is our Fourier series for this functions. So whatever we find our a0 as nothing but 2. So we substitute 2 divided by 2 means it gives 1, and our a1 value is nothing but here minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 cos n, we substitute 1 means it gives cos x plus summation of n equal to 2 to infinity. We find out an as minus 2 to minus 2 into 1 my 1 minus 1 power n divided by n square minus 1. So we substitute here and taking minus 2 as common and put n as 2, 3, etc. means what we get means if we substitute n as 2, we taking our minus 2 as common, we substitute our 2 means it gives a plus 1. So here also 2 cos 2x divided by here 2 we substitute means 4 square minus 1, it's nothing but 3. 3 into 1 also 3. So for our the question given as 1 is to 3, we put 3 is to 1 minus cos, if we substitute 3 means it gives minus 1. So minus cos 3x divided by 3 square is nothing but 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. We split 8 as 4 is 4 into 2. So hence we proved as that one question. So hence we proved this is the solution for this f of x. Hope you all understand, and thank you.